Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix wireless charging not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on battery health. So here showing you fast wireless charging. So enable fast wireless charging. Go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and backup and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.